Did you know artists and creators are banking six-figure incomes by selling AI-generated artworks and designs crafted through Leonardo AI? In this Leonardo AI tutorial, I will explain the fundamentals you must know about this AI generator, providing you with crucial information to crush your competitors. Leonardo AI operates on an open-source platform called Stable Diffusion, using cutting-edge diffusion technology. But what does that mean? Simply put, it uses a forward and reverse diffusion process, similar to noise generation, to craft images. Getting started is a breeze. To dive into this fascinating world, head over to Leonardo.ai and click Get Instant Access. Just enter your name and email, hit Count Me In, and voila, you're on your way. While waiting for your confirmation email, which can take up to 48 hours, the Discord server offers a sneak peek into the community's endeavors with Leonardo. What sets Leonardo apart is its seamless user experience, allowing you access to Stable Diffusion without the need for a high-spec computer. Everything happens in the cloud, making it an efficient choice for creators. Once you're in, the interface, which can look a bit intimidating, becomes straightforward as you explore. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step, making sure you understand Leonardo AI's capabilities. From its roots in Stable Diffusion to the ease of cloud-based operation, I will unlock the doors to endless creativity. So, are you ready to transform your ideas into visuals? Let's dive in and explore these fundamentals that are absolutely crucial. Navigating through Leonardo AI's interface is like being on a creative journey, and understanding user interface and prompting is your first step. One of the easiest ways to understand is by crafting your first prompt. Let's walk through this together. On the interface, you'll spot the featured models. Navigate using the left and right toggles to explore various models. And for our venture, let's select Illustration version 2. This model, dedicated to artistic images in diverse styles, is your gateway to creation. Clicking on it reveals a bunch of information, but don't worry, I'll break it down. Hit Generate, and you're guided into a new interface, complete with a tutorial screen and a notification about unlocking Leonardo Alchemy. Here's where you get hands-on. Type a prompt. Let's say, a king on his throne, and hit Enter. Instantly, 4 distinct images materialize, all drawn from your simple prompt and chosen model. Hovering over these images reveals various tools, indicating the depth of customization at your fingertips. Despite appearing overwhelming, the user interface is your creative cockpit. On the left, a bunch of inputs and models await your exploration. The versatility Leonardo offers is amazing, thanks to its Stable Diffusion technology foundation. Right below the Generate button, you can see how many tokens each prompt will cost you. You have the flexibility to upgrade your plan, but even the free plan unlocks vast possibilities. Clicking Back to Leonardo takes you back to the home screen, ready for your next creation. In essence, Leonardo AI's user interface and prompting are designed to help you seamlessly from thought to visual masterpiece. Diving deeper into the Leonardo AI's user interface, we find an elegantly organized dashboard designed for effortless navigation. When selecting a model, you get a lot of information, guiding you to fine-tune the resolution and strength of the model to tailor it to your prompts. Below the featured models, Leonardo AI's user interface showcases recent creations, a lively display of the community's creativity. This section is a treasure trove of inspiration, where clicking on an image reveals the prompt used. Trending, new, and top creations can be browsed, adjusting image sizes with a simple slider bar. Searching for specific creations is made easy on the top left, allowing you to find existing models fitting your needs. Your community feed on the left showcases recent creations, where hovering reveals options to favorite or follow a model. Your personal feed is neatly categorized into Your Generations, Followers feed, and Liked feed, streamlining your browsing experience. It's like building your library of inspiration with ease. Further down, options for training and datasets, fine-tuned models, My Models, and favorite models introduce you to the expansive capabilities of Leonardo AI. The User Tools section gives access to AI image generation, a prompt generation tool, and AI Canvas, a resemblance of art painting. The texture generation feature opens up possibilities in 3D textures, while settings and FAQs anchor the user experience. Comparatively, Leonardo AI's interface stands out in its structured, user-friendly layout and feature accessibility. It offers a robust platform, making the creative process easy to understand and covers a wide range. So, now that we truly understand Leonardo AI's user interface, let's get into the AI generation tools. Let's explore the AI image generation tool, a powerful feature that turns your words into pictures. Here's how to use it. On the left side, click on AI image generation. A simple screen opens up. To start fresh, click Reset to Default. Now, you see a space called Type a Prompt. This is where you write what you want to create. For example, let's type Spartan Warrior and click Generate. Just like magic, your words turn into 4 different pictures. But there's more. You can also tell the tool what you don't want in the picture using Add Negative Prompt. For instance, you can ask it to avoid certain colors or objects. Now, let's explore further. Click on Prompt Generation. Here, you can write your idea again, like Spartan Warrior, and click Idea. Leonardo AI then gives you 4 new, more detailed ideas. You can choose one and click Generate to see new pictures. Want to try different styles? Change the model from DreamSharper version 7 to Leonardo Diffusion and see how the pictures change. You can also change the style to Leonardo Style for even better results. This tool is great for anyone who wants to make art or content. By playing with different options, you can get the perfect image you're looking for. In the realm of digital art, image resolution is pivotal. It defines clarity and detail, bringing your creations to life. Let's dive into how the AI generation tool, Leonardo, seamlessly handles resolution to produce impeccable images. Upon entering Leonardo, the left-hand side presents various tools. Notably, the image dimension option is crucial. While crafting a detailed prompt, such as creating a cinematic portrait of a futuristic scientist, resolution becomes a game changer. When you hit Generate, Leonardo presents 4 images. While these may look decent, tweaking the tools can elevate the outcome. The Prompt Magic tool, for instance, when toggled, demonstrates noticeable differences in the generated images. But the spotlight here is on image dimensions. Different models recommend specific dimensions for optimal results. For instance, DreamSharper version 7, a refinement of Stable Diffusion version 1.5, suggests 640 by 832 pixels. Straying from this, like choosing 1024 by 1024, triggers an alert next to the image dimensions, signaling the model's unfamiliarity with the new resolution. Changing these dimensions might yield unexpected results. It's advisable to stick to the recommended resolution. Switching to Leonardo Diffusion alters the recommendation. To 1024 by 1024 pixels, Leonardo automatically adjusts to guarantee optimal dimensions. In essence, while crafting visual stories, maintaining the suggested resolution ensures precision and aesthetics. Leonardo AI makes this complicated task effortless, allowing creators to focus on creativity while it manages the technical aspect. Navigating further into the depth of Leonardo AI, let's uncover the significance of upscaling in image generation. Upscaling is the process of increasing an image's size while striving to retain its quality. Within Leonardo AI, you'll notice options at the bottom of the screen upon hovering over an image. Among these options lies the potential for upscaling. Let's look into the available upscalers. Creative Upscale, the initial upscaling tool in Leonardo. Upon clicking, it enlarges the image, but may lead to some loss of detail. Alternate Upscale, introduced to counter the loss in Creative Upscale. This option attempts to preserve more detail while upscaling. HD Smooth Upscaler deliberately smoothens the image, losing some detail, similar to Creative Upscale. HD Crisp Upscaler. This acts as a balance between creative and alternate upscale, aiming to find a middle ground in detail retention. Each upscaler serves a purpose. For instance, when creative upscale falls short in preserving details, alternate upscale can be a better choice. Meanwhile, the HD Smooth Upscaler intentionally simplifies images, whereas the HD Crisp Upscaler seeks an optimal balance. Understanding these upscalers is crucial. While the original image is foundational, the upscaling tools offer different options to refine and enhance. By effectively toggling between these, Leonardo AI enables users to optimize their images to perfection, tailoring the level of detail to their needs. Diving into another key feature of Leonardo AI, let's explore the guidance scale. Positioned underneath the image dimension, the guidance scale essentially guides Leonardo on how closely to follow the prompt while generating images. Let's explore the guidance scale. Positioned underneath the image dimension, the guidance scale essentially guides Leonardo on how closely to follow the prompt while generating images. To illustrate, let's tweak the guidance scale. When set to 1, the images are generated swiftly, indicating minimal adherence to the prompt. Conversely, cranking it up to 20 makes the output more closely aligned with the prompt, taking slightly longer to generate. Although it may seem like a minor detail, adjusting the guidance scale can bring out substantial variation in your images. Surprisingly, many users don't experiment much with this feature. Yet, it's observed that a guidance scale setting around 7 or 8 often brings optimal results, striking a balance between the prompt and the diffusion model. In practice, to achieve the best output, start by adjusting the guidance scale to find a sweet spot that honors both the prompt and the creativity of the diffusion model. Remember, this tool offers a chance to fine-tune your results, so don't hesitate to experiment and find what works best for your needs. Navigating through the settings of Leonardo AI, let's focus on the step count feature. An important component in image generation, step count controls the detail level in your AI-generated art. Let's use a creation rich in detail to illustrate this. After hitting Remix, we land on the AI generation tool page, where all settings, including the diffusion method, are preset. To access advanced settings, scroll down and click Show Advanced Settings. Here, you find different diffusion methods like Leonardo and Euler Discrete, each impacting the image creation process differently. Now, let's delve into the step count. Located under the guidance scale, it directly influences the look of your image. Despite the diffusion method you select, understanding step count is crucial. Here's how you can experiment effectively. Start with a moderate step count, observe the quality, and adjust accordingly. Balancing time and quality is essential. A higher step count may offer finer detail, but takes longer to generate. In essence, the right step count is subject to your creative needs. Don't hesitate to experiment and remix until you hit that sweet spot of time efficiency and exquisite detail in your AI art. Leonardo AI's versatility is revolutionary. Experiment boldly and witness the future of AI image generation unfold. Please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.